Hey Tube, welcome back. Um, in the previous video we talked about memorization, and today we will try to talk about the hoisting. So let's say that you are in an interview and your interviewer asks you what is hoisting in JavaScript. So basically, hoisting in JavaScript, it's a mechanism where variables, functions, declarations, and classes are moved to the top of their scope before code executions. And we should remember that JavaScript only hoists declarations, not initialization. So let's just try to take a simple example for this one. So if I said that if I try to console like console.log hoist, and the output will be undefined. However, if I just create the var hoist, I will find let's just create a var. So if I try to access the hoist before that's coming this before its initialization, I will get undefined. I can access it, but we only host the declaration, not the initialization. So let's just try to find another one here. So let's just say that we have how this works. Basically, JavaScript do as this. We have var hoisting, and we have the variable, and we can access it before, because what really happens is that JavaScript takes the declarations in top of the scope. So this what happens. JavaScript basically take the declaration in the top of the scope. So basically when you try to assign it, so because of that you can access it. However, it's important to say that in the same, we have the same thing in the function. So for example, let's just try to create take an example for the function here. So basically, if you have a message good morning, it will give us good morning, and we have the function name because we can access it actually anyway. Because of that we can access it. However, if this was lit, wasn't a variable, if the variable was declared by let not var, actually we will get an error. Like what we'll got, it will be error, because lit it will be hoist is not defined, because lit and const have something, it's called a temporary dead zone, which is that you cannot access any variable that declared with lit or const before this variable was declared. So yeah, that's it about hoisting, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problems.